Now, friends, I welcome you back to our video to this moment. Now, I want to show you very simple. A lot of us are online, especially most of you that are my subscribers. You're looking for ways to make money. You see crypto, you jump into it. You see Ponzi, you jump into it. Oh, how to read newspapers and get paid. I'm going to read that newspaper for 3 years. You've not yet received $10. How to do this? Please, if you want to make money online, start a YouTube channel. You know why? Why I tell people that one of the easiest content creations to get into is creating videos. Creating videos is very easy, yes, I have to tell you. Though there are things you need to learn, few things you need to learn when you start uploading videos, creating is very easy. You can pick up your phone and start laughing from morning to night and you're making videos. Now, just look at this, very simple. This is a report. For the second year running, a Nigerian remained the highest paid YouTuber. And this is a pastor. Yes, I know him very well. He's not just using the platform to just make money. He does the right thing for God. But this is another way he makes money. You understand it? But he started doing it for God, for humanity. Leading prayers, preaching the gospel. I've listened to him. Some people say, oh, he's making money online. No, he's a true man of God. But look at the money here. Let me read. So it says that in the last 24 hours, he had made 7.95 million. In the past week, he has made 47.7 million. You know, a few days ago, I was telling someone, I said, some people make more than 30 million every month as YouTubers in Nigeria. It was like, exaggeration. But when somebody here making 47.7 million in a week, it showed that he makes over 150 million every single month. For those of us who are in Nigeria, we know what it means. If you are making 150 million every month, are you talking of going to do work? Which work? I'm looking for work. My application, what is it for? You getting it? And you do what you want to. This man, it's not just the money he makes that makes him joyful. As he preaches, as he leads prayers, thousands of global citizens listen. He wins souls for Christ. Yet money is trickling in. Whatever you know you sabi do with YouTube channel, yes, when you start, it was not as if you start today, billions start. No. You may start and run for 2 good years before you earn your $1. But start first. Start first. If you are serious in making money online and you are not being a YouTuber, brother, if you tell me, I would say you are not serious. Even if you are into crypto, come on, learn that thing you are learning crypto and put it up there. Please, if you want to get some of these things, you want to know how do I start, how do I create, ask me, I will help you. Subscribe to this channel, share this video, and make your comment. Let me have it. Thanks for watching.